Good morning. My name is Kristen Glazier, and I'm here today to speak to you from FAIRHOPE Hospice, home of the Pickering House. And my passion is being a FAIRHOPE Hospice director and servicing our community with the hometown hospice and taking care of our patients and meeting their needs. My title is Director of Social Services, so I help with the social workers and the chaplains here at FAIRHOPE. And today I would like to present to you our new friend. This is something that we have had the pleasure of and the honor of receiving after quite a while, several months of trying to find out what's going to be the best piece of equipment to help our families and our patients. This machine that I have here looks a little bit like a robot, and this is called our Stratus video interpreter. So some of you may have seen this at different facilities or maybe different hospitals, and the purpose of this machine is to help our patients who have language barriers, who need some assistance with sign language, who have difficulty communicating, because if we don't have a good way to communicate and find out what they need from us, we can't give them what they need. So this machine is portable, as you can see. It is called the Stratus Video Interpreter, and we are very blessed to have received this from the Fairfield County Foundation, and we are so appreciative and thankful for this gift. When we have a patient who is in the community or here at the facility and they use sign language, American Sign Language, to communicate, oftentimes it's hard if we don't have somebody that has that gift to communicate. We have to find an interpreter for them. Also, this gives us the ability to understand and translate many different languages. As you can see on here, this is just a few, and as we turn over our communication, it shows you an entire list. So the best part about this piece is that once we turn this on, we can tap to find which language that we would like to use, and also use the American Sign Language. So the beauty of this is, let's pretend you're my patient, and once we click this button, I will place this between you and I, and a live interpreter, a human being, comes right on the screen, and we will communicate with them. So as I speak to the patient, I may say to the patient, what is most important to you? And the interpreter then will communicate using sign language to the patient. And then you, the patient, will relay your answer, sign language, to the interpreter, and the interpreter will speak it so that we can hear what is most important to you. The reason this is so amazing is because our nurses can use it. They can ask what the pain level is. The physicians can use it to communicate. Because if we don't have a piece like this, we're going to lose what's most important and really what that patient needs. We don't want to have to focus on that at this important time in their life. We want to be able to hear exactly what they need. So the way that this works is there is an app, as there's an app for everything in the world. We have an app on here that we can use, and it stays active. And there's a small fee for every minute that we use this. There's a small fee. So we keep this right here at the Pickering House. This one is able to be plugged in and charged and wheeled around to all the rooms. This also came with a smaller version. It looks like this, and our nurses and our social workers and chaplains can take this to the home, and they can use this. It connects right to Wi-Fi. So we don't have to bring the patient here to communicate. We have one that can travel. So we have not had the privilege of using this yet with a patient. We've used it with lots of staff. We've been testing it, and it's really something quite amazing. So not only can we use this for our clients who are hearing impaired, but we can also use it for those who come in with that any type of language barrier. So this has been my passion. I'm hearing impaired also. So I felt that this was something really important that we should have here at the Pickering House at FAIRHOPE Hospice. So I just want to thank you to the Fairfield County Foundation for this wonderful gift that we have, and thank all of you for being a part of this and for supporting FAIRHOPE Hospice.